Has someone ever told you that you look older than your age? You're 35 and above, you need to watch this video because I'll be sharing with you products that you should start using now to save your skin from aging. Now, you agree with me that aging is a must for everyone, right? But looking it is not. So if you want to keep growing old and not look old, then stay with me in this video. I'll be sharing with you products you should start incorporating into your skincare routine that will save your skin from looking aged, from aging. First product you should start incorporating into your skincare routine is going to be retinol. Now, retinol is a derivative of vitamin A. It helps your skin produce new cells. It helps stimulate collagen production, which helps in reducing wrinkles, fine lines, and uneven skin. Now, you want to start incorporating products that have retinol. The first product I will be recommending is going to be this La Roche-Posay retinol serum. This is going to help your skin produce new skin cells and reduce the fine lines and wrinkles on your skin. So if you can't lay your hands on the La Roche-Posay retinol serum, you can go for the Medix 8 Crystal Retinol Serum. This is also a retinol serum or a retinol serum. You can also go for the Olay Rejuvenate 24 Night Cream. This is as well a retinol serum. Or you can go for the annual PDRN high hyaluronic serum. Now, this PDRN is an ingredient now infused in skincare that helps to rejuvenate your skin, helps in the production of collagen, and will help reduce fine lines, wrinkles on your skin. If you can't lay your hands on the annual PDRN high hyaluronic acid serum, or you can go for Urban Skin RX retinol serum. Whichever one of these you can afford is perfect. Another type of ingredient you should not miss out on in your skincare routine is going to be what? Peptides. Peptides are tiny fragments of protein. They help your skin repair itself. It helps your skin stay firm. It helps your skin stay smooth. And it helps your skin stay healthy. Now, products I'll be recommending that has these peptides and are very good for your skin, and it has to do with dealing with aging. The important thing I want you to note is that you must have a peptide ingredient in your skincare routine. Now, I'm going to be recommending the Paula's Choice Peptide Booster Serum. This is a very good serum that contains peptides. And if you can't lay your hands on the Paula's Choice, you can go for Mary and May 6 peptides complex. This is amazing as well. If you can also lay your hands on this one, or maybe this one is expensive for you, you can also go for Natrium Multipeptide Advanced Serum. This one is as well a very good one to help your skin rejuvenate itself, repair itself, and also tackle fine lines and wrinkles on your skin to give you a much more youthful look. Another product that must be in your skincare routine is going to be a super hydrating eye cream. Now, the more we get older, the skin under our eye begins to get thinner, and you don't want to sleep on hydration, right? You don't want to sleep on hydration. But then, whichever product you want to lay your hands on, make sure it contains either peptide or retinol. Make sure it contains either peptide or what? Retinol. Now, the ones I'll be recommending for you is going to be the Medicube Pink eye cream. This is a very good eye cream that contains retinol. This is a very good hydrating retinol eye cream. Another one I want to recommend here is going to be ordinary multipeptide eye cream. This is also a very good one if you can lay your hands on the Medicube Pink retinal eye cream. Whichever one you can lay your hands on is perfect, but make sure that any eye cream you're getting must contain either retinol or peptide, because these are the key ingredients that helps to fight aging, that helps to fight wrinkles, that helps to fight fine lines on your skin. Now, another thing you should not sleep on, I say again, you should not sleep on, is what? Wearing your sunscreen. Most aging causes has been traced to sun exposure. So once you're getting older, do not sleep on your sunscreen. Okay, the UVA rays and the UVB rays are responsible for damaging your skin. They can damage your skin and they can lead to aging. Now, even though you're staying in a cold country where sun doesn't come out that much, you still need your sunscreen, because there's something called the UVB rays. That one can still damage your skin. Also, the light from your screen, your laptop, your phone, your tablet, gives off that rays. That is why it is important you wear your sunscreen. So whether you're indoors or you're outdoor, please do not sleep on your sunscreen. The sunscreens I want to recommend is going to be this La Roche-Posay age correct sunscreen. This is a perfect sunscreen for you if you want to tackle aging. Another one I want to recommend is going to be this Eucerin photo aging sunscreen. This is another perfect one, okay, if you're tackling aging. Lastly, on my recommendation is going to be annual heart lift sunscreen. This is another good sunscreen out there. You can lay your hands on. There are also other amazing sunscreens out there you can lay your hands on. Please do not go below 30. Do not go below 30 spectrum SPF 30. The spectrum of your sunscreen should not be less than 30 if you want to get the best of results. And make sure you have it in your bag or in your purse or in your whatever or briefcase or whatever, so you can reapply once in a while. Another product I would want you to incorporate into your skincare routine is going to be azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is an ingredient that would help tackle dark spots, uneven skin. It also helps to gently exfoliate your skin. My major reason for adding azelaic acid is for gentle exfoliation. You don't need something harsh, a gentle exfoliation, and also to tackle dark spots on your skin, hyperpigmentation as well. So you want to add azelaic acid into your skincare routine. One thing I want to leave with you is that just know that as you're aging, you should work towards building a protective skincare routine, and not just skincare routine for the sake of skincare, not just skincare routine for the sake of glowing, but for the sake of protecting your skin. And one thing you should know that skincare routine that protects your skin will definitely also glow your skin because it contains hydrating ingredients. Okay, so work towards a protective skincare routine other than just doing skincare. Once you're approaching your 30s, start working towards a protective skincare routine. I hope you find this video very helpful. If you've tried any of this product or you've already started your journey in a protective skincare routine, please leave a comment for me in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. And please like my video, subscribe to my channel if you've not done that up to now, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.